man, Kurt the panic, man, Kurt the panic. Kurt the panic. Yeah, rum. With that swat in that panic. Machine clean. That's a machine clean. That's a machine clean. See boy, swine. Rum. Okay, so we got on the YouTube, brother. Rum. Rum. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. That's how we get it clean. Extra clean. See, I got that bumbo car. I got that kick the fuck. You're a celebrity. That's how we do it, get into stuff clean, you know. You know the vibes. Got them out. Got them live. We'll see clear over here. Rum. Yeah, we on the block cleaning up stuff, brother. Fucking NASCAR. Where did I go and clean up? We're up on YouTube. Tell them on YouTube, no joke. Shout out YouTube. I tell them to like, share, and subscribe. This is Swanee, like, share, and subscribe. All I pump them. Swanee make you get them on, you know what things go. Grimy. Hey. Okay, you want to see girl like the man look your fuck. Oh, this top G. We got top G. We got top G in there. Tell them to like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, all I pussy them. That's why I'm here. You know, say turn celebrity I know. Young millionaire. Where's the massacre? Young millionaire. Where's the massacre? Young millionaire. Money bag, yeah. You know the vibes. We'll get one of the mic thing there. See, mic check, you know what I mean? Problem, man. Look on them, outside. Outside. Now I got them outside. Big business. Eh? Look on it clean. Clean. Whistle. I got them outside. I can whistle.
Knock up 100 already, you know.
Yeah?
Knock up $100 already.
Yeah, $100 already.
Yeah, man.
She's right.
I'm in the yard most of the time.
So you go up on the block.
Yeah, man, you're early, man.
Oh, you go up on the road?
Yeah, man, I go up on the road, man.
Yeah.
I want to see if we can knock on quick 50 and come in.
We'll cook some food then, man. They are trying to start up a YouTube thing, them say.
Oh.
Them boy make money from YouTube, so we are trying to make some money from YouTube.
Kenny?
Them boy hard, man. What the fuck? Remember you watch one video, you know, and then
Yeah.
a thing come in, you know, you call it advertisement, and they say money there for them, you know. See two blood clot that come to survive. Oh! Today. That's right, yeah, clean up. Right now, I don't. Yeah, right now, I don't. Yeah, clean, right.
I rough it, man. Stand up, Hey. Yo, everybody come in and carry this man and tell me, say, oh, y'all are clean. Clean. Smell nice. Right. I'm going to wash for a morning and look upon it. I'm going to wash for and I first when they come out and wash it. I'm going to touch on the road about 8 o'clock. Yo, I'm going to look at 50 days now.
Yeah, man, they think, man, got that. Now when you come back, you can't find me that we not the house. It's a move gun. Never have to something black in your rim. I put your answer. Eh? I put your answer. No, I'm not standing on. I'm not going to put you on when the sun happens. That's all right. Hold on, let me see the truck, man. Yeah. Cool. Oh man, that's cool, man. That's cool. No, that's cool, man. No? Cool. Kirk, sing clear shot.